Hello beautiful people, welcome to our channel. So today we are back with another hair video, and today I'm gonna do a shea butter pre-poo. Now let's get started with this video. To get started, I will boil some water, then I will get a spoon, a small bowl, and my shea butter. Then I will get about 2 spoons of my shea butter. Now that my water is ready, hot and boiling, I'm just gonna put my bowl on the top of the water and let it melt. As you can see, it already started melting. Now that it's all done, I'm going to remove it from the water, turn off the fire, and move on to the next step. For the next step, you don't have to transfer it to another bowl, but I'd rather transfer it to a different bowl because it feels more comfortable for me to put it in this bowl. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna transfer my shea butter into a new bowl. Then I will add some avocado oil. Here are some of the benefits of using avocado oil on your hair. Then I will add some castor oil. There hasn't been any research done saying that castor oil will grow our hair, but we know that castor oil fight any bacteria our skin may have, so that might also help our follicles to stay clean or fight any bacteria that our follicles can have. So this is why I decided to add some castor oil on this shea butter pre-poo. Now it's time to mix it all up, and our shea butter pre-poo is ready. Because she has high porosity hair, and we know high porosity hair get dry very quick, so this shea butter pre-poo will definitely be helpful before I shampoo her hair, so her hair won't get too dry and lose all the good moisture that her hair needs. So the way to apply this is to put it around her scalp, around her ends, and massage her scalp. Put it all over her hair, and since her hair is already in section, this makes it so easy to apply this shea butter pre-poo on her hair. If you enjoyed this video so far, please consider pressing that like button, and why not subscribe to our channel for similar content, and why not share this video with your friend, family, or anyone you know. After putting all over her hair, I will put a shower cap over her head and let her sit with it for about 30 minutes or more. After 30 minutes is passed, I will start by massaging her scalp. This is very important because scalp massage helps blood flow, which stimulates hair growth. After massaging her scalp, I will rinse out her hair and continue with my regular wash day routine.